Welcome. Let's talk about absolute cell reference. An absolute cell reference in Excel is a specific cell location that won't change when you copy or fill a formula containing it across different cells. What I mean by this is very simple. It means that a cell reference remains constant no matter where it is copied or moved in the worksheet. In Excel, you use a dollar sign before the column letter and row number to create an absolute reference. Let's use an example for you to understand better. Let's say you run a small online store and you want to calculate the total cost of items after applying a fixed discount rate. Let's fill in our data for that. We have the item, price, and we have the discount rate. So for the item, let's fill in like 6 items. We say item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4. Now for the price, let's give it a random price, just a random number. Now for the discount rate, let's put in, let's say 50%. Let's say 50% for the discount rate. Find an empty cell. So we're going to put in our formula there. Let's use the D2 cell. So let's type out the formula to calculate discount rate. Remember, for absolute reference, you need to start with dollar sign. Always remember that. You need to use dollar sign for absolute reference. So let's type out the formula to calculate discount rate. So we'll put in our equal to, we put in B2, B2 minus, bracket open, we put in B2 again, multiply by, now we want to write our absolute reference. The discount rate here, which is the C2, is our absolute reference. So let's put it in, let's start with dollar sign. We say the dollar sign, and we say C, dollar again, we said 2. As you can see, it is highlighted in red to indicate we are referencing this. So after we are done, we need to close the bracket and hit enter. And as you can see, the answer is 25. The answer is 25. We see our B2, which is 50. B2 multiplied by C2, which is this discount rate. It was calculated and it gave an answer 25. Using absolute references ensures that certain parts of your formula remain constant, which is particularly useful when you need to apply the same fixed value like a discount rate across multiple calculations. For example, now you see this plus icon right here. I want to drag it down. As you can see, it gave different answers. Now we can change this our 50%, which is our discount rate. We can change it, let's say, to 70% and click enter. The values is going to change. Now this is fixed. Remember, in our formula, we reference the C2 as an absolute reference. So every value is calculating here is referencing to this discount rate. That's why if we change it to any number we want, it's going to still reference it and give our answer. So that's all about absolute reference. If you are confused or you have any question, please comment below. I will try my best to answer. And also give a like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome Excel tips and tricks. Thank you.